Alright, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little hurt. Trying new mic stuff. Apparently she wasn't recording, so I'm gonna do this again. Unfortunately, we already unboxed it. But this was the 9-pound box. And this was the 13-pound box. So, I guess we'll just start with the 9-pound box. This is what came in it. A VS410 kit. A poker chip. Kind of cool. Jeremy, I got some D44s that I can put on the tow truck now. I was hoping to get the purple diff covers, but whatever. My buddy's really going to like these rims. I don't know about these. Got some drive shafts. Some tools. An ace of diamonds. Some hubs. And the kit. Now we'll push this off to the side. Here's what the 13-pound box looks like. I'm pretty stoked about this. We got a ace of hearts blue. Some more incision drive shafts. Some aluminum diff covers. Those are awesome. Some the exact same wheels, which is kind of unfortunate. Beadlock rings. Uh-oh. Looks like we got send Vanquish an email. These are sweet. Some of the heavy offset brass, some more hubs, and then oh, we dropped her. The machine gear set, baby, for the twin. Let's go. And then we got a Phoenix portal. Like, I think this is ready to go, isn't it? Oh, it's a kit. Let's go. I'll take it. This box, way better value, I believe, than that box. I'll do the totals here in just a second. Give me a minute. All right, I did the math for both boxes. I believe the 13-pound box was like $854.91 before tax, and then the box number 2, the 9-pound box, I believe was $916.09. It's kind of crazy how like the money gets distributed. These axles are like a pretty penny, obviously. It's just crazy. Like I would use probably 100% of this box and only, I don't know, 10% of this box, since obviously this is doubled. You know what I mean? So it's kind of crazy. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.
Out in the barn with my welder spark, shaping steel into a tiny work of art. Coping tubes spinning round the vise, miniature buggies, nights underneath the lights. Driving stakes, setting gates in the dirt, run them through, watch them smoothly skirt. Printed jigs, each piece starts to align, welding them together on a small assembly line. Bending tubes under the bright workshop glow, through these tiny gates our dreams start to flow. Pounding hearts in miniature we believe, building little buggies that our souls can grieve. Measure twice, cut the metal right, every inch, feeling pure delight with each spark. There's a story to tell in these little creations where our hearts dwell. Printer hums, forming jigs with care, pieces fall together, a moment so rare. From the smallest bolt to the longest rod, every step in the process a gift from God. Bending tubes under the bright workshop glow, through these tiny gates our dreams start to flow. Pounding hearts in miniature we believe, building little buggies that our souls can grieve. forming jigs with care. Pieces fall together, a moment so rare. From the smallest bolt to the longest rod, every step in the process, a gift from God. Bending tubes under the bright workshop glow. Through these tiny gates our dreams start to flow. Pounding hearts in miniature we believe, building little buggies that our souls can grieve.